Welcome back. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we visit the community of Green Pond in Montego Bay, St. James, where a young woman is making waves both in her neighborhood and in the automotive industry. With that story, here's Ken Morgan.
Braids secured with a yellow scrunchie, hanging over an overall with well-manicured nails gripping a wrench. It's not your typical mechanic. But for 20-year-old Kanija Gardner from Green Pond, Montego Bay, St. James, she's an anomaly.
My mother wanted me to be a nurse. Unfortunately, they gave me the opportunity to choose my subjects myself, and I chose mechanical engineering technology because my father is a mechanic and that's what I've always wanted to do.
Kanija recalls that as far back as her preteen years, she mastered skills her male peers hadn't. Getting her clothes dirty and her hair greasy doesn't faze her.
Very fascinating when you break it all down to zero to see how it works. Some little minor things that can make a car not work, but you're able to fix it within the blink of an eye or sometimes hours.
And as she got older, her drive grew stronger. After leaving high school, Kanija decided to get certified in auto mechanics. She also works at a performance auto parts store, a position which comes with stereotypes.
If they're on their phone talking to their mechanic, they're like, oh, I want a woman in here. She probably don't know what I'm going to tell her, say I want her. No, and them come, where the boss there, where the boss there?
It is why she works so hard to prove herself.
Not because I'm a woman and I have on hair and I have on nails means I don't know nothing about car. Stuff like that make me want to show them, say, yeah, I know about car.
And although her parents are proud, this is far from what they had in mind.
You bring all argument in the house. Me and her cuss every day about it. Most of we have to lie down on the car, but I don't want she come do that. But she proved to me that she can do it.
Her biggest achievement, working on her father's Honda Civic EK3.
He has a G23, so we do a crossover of 2 engines, so an H and an F, and that's his project, and that's the biggest project I've done. I pull down the engineer like about 50 million times, so I know like the back of my hand now to do certain things by myself.
The aim is to one day open her own garage, as she believes there's enough room for both genders in the industry.
I love doing it, you love doing it, so why try to fight me out of it? It don't make no sense at all. It makes sense when we come together, we do work together, you teach me, I teach you.
You not choose to them, make them choose what they want to do. Just be them backbone.
It all comes down to who fixes the issue.
And for the females.
I go get bashed, I go realize that, oh, I do this wrong, and you go feel away, but at the same time you have to just rise up from it. Anything where make you feel less of yourself, just use it to build back up yourself. Because at the end of the day, that praise when you realize that you fixed an issue will top every other feeling that you've had before.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.